In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct account or location where you want this tax setting to apply. This is important because tax settings are tied to the area you're working in, so you'll want to confirm you're not making changes in the wrong place before moving forward. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side menu. This is where most of your main navigation options live. From that menu, click on Payments. This will take you into the section where billing, transactions, and payment-related settings are managed. After the Payments area opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the configuration options for your payment setup, including receipts, taxes, and other payment preferences. Inside Settings, click on Taxes. This opens the tax management page where you can view any existing tax rules or create a new one. If you're setting this up for the first time, the page may be empty, and that's completely normal. Now click on Add Tax. This will open the form where you can enter the details for the new tax you want to create. Take your time here because this information affects how charges are calculated and displayed to your customers. Start by entering the name of the tax. Use a clear label that helps you easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to create more than one tax rule. Next, add the rate. This is the percentage that will be applied. Be sure to enter the correct value based on your local tax requirements so your checkout and payment records stay accurate. After that, add a description. This field can help clarify what the tax is for, and it can also make your records easier to understand when reviewing settings in the future. Then enter the tax ID number. If your business uses an official registration or tax identification number for reporting purposes, this is where you'll place it. Make sure the information is correct before saving. Next, add the tax agency. This is typically the name of the government agency or authority that collects the tax. Adding this helps keep your tax setup organized and more complete. Once all the fields have been filled in, click Add to save the new tax. After that, your tax entry should appear in the list and be ready for use within your payment setup. And that's how to add tax in Gohighlevel. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review the details you entered to make sure everything is accurate.